My name is Vidya. I'm working in Zamindar's Microsurgical Eye Center. Now I'm going to talk about contact lens use and misuse. Wash hands, dry hands with lint-free towel. No cream on hands or makeup before using contact lens. Remove your makeup before you remove your contact lens. Do not shower or swim in your contact lens. After you remove contact lens, gently clean them with multi-purpose cleaning solution to dislodge any dirt, germs or portions. Store them in proper contact lens solution, not the tap water. Contact lens solution bottle tip should not get contaminated. Clean your contact lens case regularly with same solution. Keep it closed after it dried, keeping upside down on a clean lint-free napkin. Change them often. Always put fresh contact lens solution each time. No topping up solutions. Always ensure contact lens swim in solution. If you have not owned contact lens for a week, then night before wearing them again, replace solution so that they get disinfected properly before use. Never overwear contact lens. Never sleep with contact lens in your eyes. Always carry contact lens case, solution, glasses along with you when you step out of the house with your contact lens in your eyes. Never use expiry solution or expired contact lens. Get your eye checked regularly. Do not share the contact lens. Do not wear contact lens when you are sick. If you're doing all 20 things above, congratulations, you fall in the 1% category of people who do it. Thank you.